UVC light UV cleaner Germicidal lamp ultraviolet bulb with 5 feet cord and plug 15/30 60 minutes timer 110 V6W. UVC without ozone. Without ozone 253.7 nm wavelength UVC light, powerful ability, no bad ozone smell. Important warning, UVC light will hurt eyes. Eyes and skin can't be exposed to the UVC light. Turn off the lamp before approaching it. 4 timer modes 5 15 30 60 minutes, 5-second delay start. Warm tips: when this bulb lit will immediately have a special smell, it means it's worked. This special smell comes from burnt harmful smalls by the UVC ray, just like in the summer sun. Convenient. Include 5 feet cable and plug lamp size, 9.25 1.4 inch, includes fixing accessories for easy installation. Ideal for use in closets, drawer or other small spaces. 1-year warranty, 8,000 hours lifespan. If have any question or problem, please feel free to contact our service mailbox, which written on the package box, we will solve and reply in 24 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.